Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to recover your Facebook business or usual personal account. So you need to go to your business settings. You need to go to the business.facebook.com and try logging in. If you're still logged out but can't manage assets, click the gear icon and check for the business info section to see if you're still listed as an admin. You can also visit facebook.com/accounts quality to check if your business manager or ad manager account is restricted. You'll see if any violations are causing the lockouts. Also, you can ask another admin to re-add you under business settings, then users and profile and people. If there are no other admins, you need to appeal through the basically support of Facebook for admin rights. Also, you can check for disabled business manager. If your account was disabled, go to the help page and submit a request to restore it. Once restored, enable two-factor authentication for extra security and review user roles to prevent future lockouts. Guys, if you have any questions, drop them below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.